Accountability chart. Accountability chart starts with the basic belief that we have three major functions in each organization. So we have a sales and marketing function. That's number one. Number two, we have an operations function. Third, we have a finance or a finance and administration function. So somebody's got to be out there in sales and marketing, generating new leads, bringing new leads into the door and creating those sales. Operations has to actually execute on those sales. So we have to deliver the product or service within our organization. And the finance department has to make sure that we have the proper capital, all the bills get paid, all the fun stuff that comes with finance. I'll tell you one thing why this differs from an org chart. So you've probably heard of an org chart. An org chart is who reports to who. What do the departments look like? What does the reporting structure of an organization look like? This is an accountability chart because we make sure we understand what each function is accountable for. So we're going to identify the high level, maybe 5 different functions or roles that each function is accountable for. So it is an org chart, who reports to who, but it also is an accountability chart. So we know each one of these seats functions, what roles we're going to hold them accountable for. So after those 3 major functions, we had a 4th major function we call the integrator. So the integrator is the one who harmoniously integrates all of the other functions. So all of these other functions, they're the ones who report to the integrator. The integrator is the one who holds them accountable. We identify what we're going to hold the integrator accountable for. So this is what we do on the first day in our EOS meeting. We go through, identify the high-level leadership team for the organization, create the structure, create the accountability chart, and sometimes we have a visionary. So a visionary is one who sees things at a very high level. So they are the ones with lots of ideas. They like seeing things at 30,000 feet. They like coming up with 100 different ideas. The visionary and integrator are different types of people. This relationship becomes important. So this is the structure of an organization in a default form. So we will customize this for your organization so we know what the structure should be, what the accountabilities are, and then you get to a point where you build out each one of these functions. So you know exactly how many seats there are, how many functions there are, how many people do we need within this organization. We don't want to just regurgitate what the organization structure looks like right now with the current people that we have. We want to build the structure of the organization like we want it to be in the future. So look 6 to 12 months ahead. Let's see how the organization should be, and then let's create that. I think our job as leaders is to create the organization that we want. So let's build out the structure that's going to get us to the next level. What got us here is not going to get us to the next level. So let's figure out what that structure needs to be to go there.